Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Snipping Tool and selecting Video Mode. This gets you into Capture immediately. Next, define your capture area, drag to include the precise window or set a 16:9 frame for consistent output. Make sure to enable your microphone and system audio because you'll want both voiceover and in-app sounds. Once done, glance at the pre-record buffer setting, set at least 0. 5 seconds to avoid clipped starts. Press the record button when you're ready. Don't pause, start the action you want captured. You should now record with intent, narrate key steps and perform actions slowly. Use pause and resume to preserve flow. This keeps context without creating extra files. While recording, use pen and highlight tools to draw attention to clicks and menu items. Choose high contrast colors so viewers see annotations clearly. Keep an eye on audio levels and frame rate. If you capture fast motion, switch from 30 to 60 frames per second. Make sure to stop using the toolbar controls, not the app window, to prevent accidental. When you finish, stop recording and immediately trim out dead space or mistakes so the clip is concise. Export to MP4 or MOV. Select 1080p for a balance of quality and file size, and name the file clearly. If audio is missing or out of sync, don't redo the whole video, record short replacement segments and splice them in. If problems persist, restart the snipping tool and update drivers. That often resolves device conflicts. Finally, preview the final file before uploading or sharing to ensure everything matches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.